Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a file on Google Drive. So you can see this is a file which I wanna delete. So just you can select it and go for delete here, or you can press your delete button on your keyboard, or otherwise you can right click on your mouse and just click on this move to bin, and you can see your file has been deleted. So that's it. This is how you can delete a file on Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.